Hi there, today I have a very short video for you showing you how to do the faux tarnished metal technique. This one is a great one to use on your masculine cards. You'll need some silver mirri card and an embossing folder. This one's from Sizzix, but it's about 8 or 9 years old, so I have no idea what it's called anymore. And you slot your silver mirri card into the embossing folder and just run it through your embossing machine. The next part of the process is messy, so protect your work surface with a craft sheet and wear protective gloves. Now take some black acrylic paint and using your finger rub it into the embossed piece of card, making sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. I think I may have used a little bit too much paint here. It was the first time I was trying this technique out, so the next time I'll try to use a little bit less, be more sparing with my supplies. Then when you've got the paint onto the card and you're ready to finish off, just take a piece of kitchen roll and wipe the excess paint away. Here I wanted to see whether you could go back to add some more paint once you've put the first layer on, and to be honest it didn't really make much difference, but you can do it. To make my masculine card, I took a male image, which was a free stamp with one issue of Craft's Stamper magazine many years ago, and because I thought he looked a little bit like an image for a gentleman's restroom, I added a bow tie to try and jazz it up a little bit. Then I added my little panel of faux tarnished metal onto a black mat, having rounded the corners of both pieces first. I created a little flag for a sentiment and then added the little man on the top. So very, very easy card to make. Well, thank you for watching this very short video today, and I hope you found it useful. If you haven't already, please would you like and subscribe to my channel, because there are lots more techniques in the pipeline. And thank you for watching today, and I'll hopefully see you on the next video. Bye for now.